Hello, future developers and designers. Welcome to another tutorial with ABCD. So in our previous project, we were able to work on the applets. Okay, so this particular UI and then its icons. Okay, now we would want to do that of this. Okay, so this is going to be files that can be shared, whether audio, video, others, and then library. Okay, and then more. So to do that, I've already created my screen. Okay, so I've already created my screen, that's which is screen 3 by just copying and pasting the screen 2. Okay, so now we want this particular shape. Let's see. Okay, so we have our width is 249 and then height is 462. So let me copy the height 249. Okay, so let's just make this. I'm going to take these out. So I'll delete this. Okay, so our height, Control V, and then our width is 249, I guess. Let's confirm that. Okay, so 249. Okay, so let's take it up. Let me clear this plus sign here. Okay, I think I like the position here. Okay, so let me just bring it here a bit. Then let's see what we have. So files, but better still, let's work on this background here. So our background here has this color code 234 by 370, 234 by 270. So let me pick any shape. Pick the applet up here. So 239 by sorry 234 by 370, 234 by 270. Okay, and it has a background color. So our fill is going to use this code. Okay, so you can see the code. And then it has a shadow. Okay, so the shadow is enabled. We don't need a border. Okay, so you can see we have some small shadow here. Now we need these icons, these images, and then so we would need to create this card. Okay, so to be able to do this, okay, we can actually create it using the card, but let's use our templates. Okay, so the templates is for pro people. So I'm going to my card. Let me look for, it's not in the card. Let's use content. Not in content. Okay, so all I have to do is to go to the visit templates and then scroll. Okay, so click on visit templates and then scroll and then let's pick this. Okay, so I'm going to bring it down. Then I'll delete these. Okay, so let's use this. So I'm going to bring this here. Then I'm going to reduce the size. Okay, so while holding Alt and then Shift on my keyboard, I'll reduce the size and I'm going to bring it here. Okay. I can decide to leave this icon, this here. Okay, so maybe the user could start it. Then let's type, let's see what we have here. Audio. Okay, so let me see. I should drag this down a bit. Okay, now type audio. I'll click on it and then make sure it fits to text. Okay, now try to center it. Okay, you can bring this star here, or you can bring it here. Let me change the star color to, let's use this color. Oops, it's not that visible. Let's use white. Now when the user selects it, it will change color. Okay, so now all I have to do is to just make sure I group them. So multi-select, Control G, and then Control C, Control V, copy and paste, and then just align them. Okay, so I'm going to make sure they're well aligned inside this. Okay, then I'll change this name to video. Video. And just copy Control C, Control V, the two of them. So multi-selected them and then Control C, Control V, the two. Let me move this up. So our background, I'm going to move it up here. Okay. Then I'll move it down a bit to this. And here we can do more. Then library. Okay. So all we have to do now is just change the image. So we can click and then look for an image of, let's say, earphone. Okay, just select it and then it changes. I'll leave it this way. So I'm just going to select. Okay, so I'll pause the video and just look for images for the. Okay, so all I had to do was to search for this. This name was Figma. I just type Figma for this particular image, and then now let's do the final image. Let's say library. Or let's use any image of our choice. Okay, so I'm going to go for this. Okay. Now finally we just need to have our more icons, and then I'll go to my button and then just pick this. Okay, so that's something interesting about Wizard. So they are pre-made shapes and then icons, images and the likes. So I'm going to type more and let's see what we have here. Let's check compare the size. So 120 for radius is 4, still the same. Okay, so here I think that should be it for our project. Actually this part, so let me move this. Okay, let me move this up a bit. So multi-select them and then I'm going to move them up. Okay, because here what we are looking onto our muse, we have this inside this particular UI. So I would have to just bring this down a bit. Okay. So now our current height for this background is 362. Okay, so thank you guys for watching, and then I'll see in the next lesson where we'll learn to, let's see what we'll do next. Okay, we'll learn to do this. Okay, so in case the user clicks on the um, share icon, okay, we have this for the user to be able to click and then copy the icon, the link. Okay, so thank you, and then I'll see you in the next lesson. Thank you.